What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Untitled Chapter. I'm back with another video. I really don't feel good. I feel like my period is about to start, and it's about that time anyway. So, like my stomach is just hurting. So, yeah, my hair is cute, but it's in my face, and I don't really want it in my face. So I'm just gonna put it up for the remainder of the video. Cause I mean, y'all know what my hair look like. Y'all know I'm cute, so it's whatever. We all have our days. So this is gonna be a Target unboxing. Now I'm kind of like irritated because I already got this stuff. Like, this stuff was supposed to come 2 weeks ago, and then I redid my order and I didn't get some of my stuff. So I guess I don't know if this package was lost or what, but yeah, so we just finna unbox it today. So let's just get right into it. Like, I already I unboxed the first box. I literally got this package and then they sent me another one, but this one has all of my stuff in it that I ordered. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. The first thing I have is these are the 5 blade, I'm sorry y'all. I really don't. Okay, these are the 5 blade razors. They contain jojoba and shea butter. This is what they look like. Yeah, that's what they look like. And they're 5 blade, and 5 come in there. The next thing I have, people was telling me to get this to-go thing because I had got something on my shirt and I didn't know if it was gonna come out, and everybody was like, oh, get the Tide to-go pen. So hopefully this work. It was like $2.99, but yeah, hopefully this work. And I am gonna keep this in my, actually I gotta look up how to use it, but I am gonna keep this in my bag because I kid you not, I be getting the most stains on my shirts when I'm out. Like, when I be eating in a house, I be fine, but when I eat in public, it seems like something always ends up on my shirt or on my pants. Like, I'll spill something. I know I have social anxiety, so I get nervous, and sometimes I be shaking when I be drinking and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a whole thing. It's a whole thing, honestly. The next thing I got in here is the honey pie bergamot rose foaming wash. I actually needed another one of these. So yeah, I'm stocked up on that. This one actually works for me. I like this one. The only one that I don't like is the sensitive one. I don't really like that one, but I'll buy it if there's nothing else. And the cucumber one, that one did nothing for me. In terms of just making me feel fresh. Like, that one did nothing for me, especially in the summertime. California is a different type of heat, so yeah, that did absolutely nothing for me. But this one right here, I think this one is new, I'm not sure, but this is the bergamot rose foaming wash. Bergamot rose. So yeah, I love it. The next thing I have is this brow pencil from Elf. It is my color, so I have one of those. The next thing I have in here is this Old Spice deodorant. I love this deodorant. It smells so freaking good. Y'all, this deodorant smells so good. I have one in my purse already. I'm gonna show y'all since y'all don't believe me. This is the one that I used, and I have it in my purse. It smells so good. It really doesn't even smell like a man's deodorant. Like, this is Old Spice. I don't know what Old Spice, I don't know, but I found this on TikTok because a lot of people was like, okay, so I sweat, you know what I'm saying? Especially when I'm nervous. Like I said, I have social anxiety, so I get really, really nervous, anxious, anxiety, all that, right? So I was looking for a good deodorant. Native was working for a minute, but then it just stopped working, and I was like, okay, maybe I'm just gonna have to go back to regular deodorant and not dealing with. These are definitely cramps. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna have to. I was like, maybe I'm gonna have to just go back to regular deodorant, which I don't have a problem. I was just trying something, you know. So yeah, I went back to regular deodorant. That wasn't working. Like regular Dove deodorant for women, that wasn't working. So I was like, okay, bro, like it's finna be summertime. I have to find a deodorant that works for me. Like I cannot be out here sweating and smelling. I have to find something that works for me. If y'all don't know, for the longest I've struggled with finding good deodorant. Like women's deodorant just does not work for me. I get on TikTok and I'm like, you know what? Let me just see if men's deodorant is for me, right? I get on TikTok, I type in men's deodorant. This is the first thing that pops up. It was the lavender. This is the Old Spice Wilderness and Lavender. And apparently all of their Old Spice deodorants smell good, like the Fiji one and the Timber one and all those deodorants. So everybody was like, you know, just try, you know. I looked in the comment section and they was like, it works. I don't sweat. I don't sweat. I don't sweat. This is only $5 at Target. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try it. When I tell you I tried this deodorant, I have not sweated yet. Like, and I mean, like, of course, you know, if it's 99 degrees outside, you're gonna sweat regardless. But when I tell you I tried this deodorant and it lasts all day, I do not have to reapply this. However, I do still keep it in my purse because it's gonna be summertime and I don't want to forget to wear deodorant, to put on deodorant. You know, sometimes we have those days forgetting to put on deodorant and shit. But when I tell you this works for me, I'm never going to stop buying this. I want to try all of the scents. However, I can't get off of this lavender one because this one just smells so damn good, and it just smells so good. Like this smells good. Okay. I went on a hike. I went on a hike to the LA to the Hollywood sign. When I tell you I did not sweat, I was sweating everywhere else but my underarms. This works. I love men's deodorant. Never going back. Old Spice will forever be the brand that I pick. I hate that I wasted so much time on women deodorant because I could have been switched over. But my thing was I didn't want to smell like a man. I didn't want to smell masculine. You know what I'm saying? But this is lavender and it smells like a woman deodorant. I even like told my brother, I said, here, smell this. He's like, what? I was like, smell this. Do this smell like a man? He said, no, that don't smell like men's deodorant. I even told my mama, I said, here, smell this. Do this smell like men's deodorant? And she said, no, it don't smell like men's deodorant. And I was like, it's men's deodorant. So yeah, Old Spice, if you have sweating problems or if you have like anxiety to where you really be sweating, try men's deodorant. Yeah. And the last thing I have are my Honey Pot overnight my Honey Pot overnight pads. I absolutely love these. These things are so long and they give you like great coverage. When I tell you, okay, so when I go to sleep, me personally, sometimes I will wake up like and the booty will be, I'll have a stain like on the back of my panties, because the pad, I'm laying down, so the pad is just not like covering enough. So I decided to get these overnight pads. When I tell you I never went back. I got on a plane, right? what intrigued me to even try the overnight pass was I was getting on a plane. I have social anxiety, so of course I don't want to get up to pee, and it was a 4-hour ride, right? But I knew I knew my period was going to start the day of the plane ride. So I changed my pad before I got on the plane. This lasted 4 hours. I'm not saying like don't change your pad 4 hours, but it's like, you know, it's a whole lot. Like being on an airplane on your period, getting up and you already have social anxiety, and then I don't want to, like, you know, it's period blood, so you don't want to like smell up the little thing, like. But again, I have those little baggies. It's not enough room for me to do what I need to do on my period in there, you know what I'm saying? Because I gotta have the wipes, I gotta, you know, it's just like, it's a lot. In a little, no. So immediately after I got off the plane, I changed my pad and I was good. I wasn't leaking. And then, you know, I had that little phobia of getting up and everybody seeing my blood on the back of my pants. Even though I had on sweatpants, I had on black sweatpants, but I had a fear of everybody just seeing a stain. I don't know. But so yeah, like when I tell you I made my brother like walk behind me getting off the plane, he's like, Kyla, there's nothing there. And I was like, oh, okay. But yeah, like I made him like, yo, walk directly behind me. Don't, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, my brother a G though. My brother a G, he everyone. But anyways, yeah, I got these overnight cotton pads because this is some more that I needed, and they look like this. I always keep one in my purse because you never know, you know what I'm saying? So this is what they look like. They're big, like compared to the regular ones, they are big because they're meant for overnight, you know, like when you, yeah. Some girls wear the little diapers. I'm good. I don't want to be wearing no diaper to bed. I'm all right. But yeah, the only time I actually wear panties is on my period. Like I don't wear panties. I don't wear panties. But yeah, so that was my unboxing. I love everything. I'm very satisfied with my purchase. I hate that it took so long because I had to do like a reorder type of thing. But yeah, I am glad that I got my stuff. So yeah, another Target haul is coming because I want a new book and I want some more. I seen some more stuff that I feel like I need, so we're gonna do another Target haul pretty soon. So yeah, that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you try men's deodorant. Do you use brow pencils? I just started learning how to do my brows. Like I like the way the brow pencil looks. It looks really natural, so I like that. I'm gonna try this Tide to Go pen, and yeah, I already know this is good. I like this one, this little Bergamot rose. All right, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Sheets, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.